Welcome to the Product Manager Minute. My name is Michelle Brown, Product Manager for PCB Interconnect. Today, I would like to talk to you about wire-to-wire connectors. With choices from 2.5 millimeters to 10.16 millimeters spacing, the options are endless. With these products, our customers can use 28 to 4 gauge wires with ratings from 100 to 1000 volts and 6 to 76 amps. Options within these connectors can include push button or lever operation or push-in cage clamp. Straight or right-angled connectors can bring the wires in from different directions. There are locking levers available for side clamping, and we even have one that can clamp on the bottom. We offer mounting feet for our products so that they can be mounted onto a DIN rail. Female connectors that have 2 wire connection points can fit easily into one male connector. We have strain relief plates or housings available for purchase with the connector or separately for field connection. Through panel options are also widely used. The choices are endless. Come check out what we can offer by clicking on the link in the text above. Thanks for watching.